The public's curiosity and debate surrounding Senzo Meyiwa's murder have been rekindled by recent advances in the inquiry. Please kindly hit on the subscribe button as we go into the details. Kelly Khumalo's phone memory was reportedly wiped at about 1:31 a.m., mere hours after the murder. According to information provided by the court, the case has become more complex as a result of this revelation, and the people involved are under further scrutiny. A social media user named X recently posted a video of economic freedom fighters, EFF, leader Julius Malema, talking about the Kelly Khumalo case. Malema said in his statement that he thought Khumalo knew who killed Meyiwa. It is crucial to remember that these assertions are Malema's personal views and do not constitute hard proof. The video caused quite a stir on the internet, with one user pointing out that these kinds of opinions are consistent with the general public's long-standing suspicions over Khumalo's participation. The response to Malema's remarks reveals a wider popular opinion. It is important to make clear that Khumalo is not a suspect in the current inquiry, despite the numerous rumors about her possible knowledge of the case. Understanding this difference is essential to comprehending the case's background and the roles of the many parties involved. Though the story is changing, people's perceptions are still split. While some saw Malema's remarks as a need for further research, others advise against making snap judgments based only on subjective beliefs rather than hard data. The ongoing dispute serves as a reminder of the case's intricacy and the need of thorough, fact-based reporting. Once more, the Pretoria High Court was shocked to learn that singer Kelly Khumalo's phone memory was deleted only hours after the former Bafana captain passed away. In a startling turn of events in the well-known Senzo Meyiwa murder case, the courtroom was rocked by this shocking revelation, which also rekindled public interest in the ongoing inquiry. Evidence given by State Prosecutor Advocate Mshololo demonstrated that, on October 27, 2014, at 1:31:38 a.m., Khumalo's smartphone had a factory reset, only hours after Meyiwa was shot and killed. This action's timing has sparked concerns and conjectured about possible efforts to withhold important information. According to Dr. Thabo Molefe, a specialist in digital forensics, such a reset would essentially remove all of the device's data, including call records, texts, and media files. This action is irreversible and would make it nearly impossible to recover any information from the period leading up to and immediately following the incident, said Dr. Molefe. This information was quickly seized upon by the defense teams for the 5 accused men, who claimed that it called into question Khumalo's earlier admissions and may even link her to a cover-up. This new evidence raises serious questions about what information Ms. Khumalo may have been trying to hide, said Advocate Tefo, the lead defense attorney. On the other hand, the prosecution advised against drawing hasty judgments. While the timing seems suspect, Advocate Mshololo stressed that there may be benign reasons why the phone was reset. Instead of speculating, we should pay attention to the available facts and data, she said. Regarding the significance of this development, legal commentators are split. Professor Namsakopa, an authority on criminal law, stated, "Although fascinating, this is not evidence of crime on its own. This will have to be weighed against all other evidence that has been given by the court." The discovery has rekindled public interest in the case as the trial progresses, with social media buzzing with hypotheses and debates. People discussed the meaning of this most recent development as the hashtag Senzo Meyiwa trial became popular throughout the country. To give the defense and prosecution teams more time to review this new material, the court has adjourned. Judge Chifua Mamila stressed the need of conducting a comprehensive and unbiased examination into every facet of the case. The issue that has to be answered while the country keeps a careful eye on things is whether this startling discovery will ultimately lead to the understanding of Senzo Meyiwa's terrible death, or whether it is just one more piece in an increasingly complicated jigsaw. According to a new disclosure, allegations about the validity of former South African President Jacob Zuma's Umkhonto weSizwe (MK) membership card have put him under investigation. Veterans see any affiliation with MK, the military branch of the African National Congress (ANC), during the apartheid period, as a badge of pride, since it occupies a sacred position in the country's history. When a picture of Zuma's MK membership card appeared online, it sparked a stir. Critics quickly questioned the card's validity, pointing to differences in its design from those given throughout.